Congratulations, Wolverinu, 10,000 holders in 18 days. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. The captain is in, and I see Wolverinu down 27% of the day. This today is November 7th, 2021. So let me show you how to buy this token. If this is something you want to do, don't forget to do your research. Make sure this is something you actually want to do. Now, we're going to do this right here. We're going to do it on Uniswap. We'll do Shiba Swap and Sushi Swap and FedEx in another video. So we're going to do this step by step. Now, the first thing you want to do is create a MetaMask wallet. You can do this from your mobile device, which is right here. Your mobile device, just download it and Play Store if you have an Android phone, or the Apple Store if you have an Apple phone, or you can do it right from the desktop right here. You can just download the Chrome extension, type in MetaMask. I want to download this. That's the first thing you want to do. The second thing, if I go back to the steps, is fund your wallet with Ethereum. Now, here's the thing on the desktop version of MetaMask. You can buy Ethereum. This is something I don't think a lot of people know this. On your desktop version, you can buy Ethereum. It says so. Buy ETH with Wire. So you can just go ahead and do this. If I click on continue, it's going to direct me to a page where I can purchase Ethereum. And what happens is when I purchase Ethereum, it's going to go right into my account that's right here. So to me, try looking at purchase this on your desktop. Now, on your mobile device, it's a little bit differently. So if I go here, actually, no, it's not. No, it's not. You can do it right from your mobile phone. Yes, you can. Buy ETH with Transact. You can do that now. Okay, you can do that now. So you can do this while on your mobile phone. Now, you can transfer Ethereum to other places. So if you get Ethereum from crypto.com or Coinbase, you can transfer that. But why not buy it right on the page? Why not? Why not? So that's the first thing you want to do is buy Ethereum. I'll walk you through the steps. You can buy, click on buy. It goes right into your wallet. So that's the second thing. The next thing is connect your wallet to Uniswap. Now, Uniswap looks like this. Now, I'm on the desktop version, and it's app.uniswap.org. You can go right to your mobile device. It looks just like this. I'll bring that up as well. But the desktop version, you just go to Uniswap. Now, the thing about what Uniswap is, it's a simple place to me to swap tokens. So if I go here and I'll bring up my mobile device here, this is what Uniswap looks like on the desktop. This the mobile phone. The mobile phone looks like this. The desktop version looks like this. So if I do my mobile device, check this out. It looks the same, don't it? So if I click on Ethereum and if I bring back the mobile device, it looks just like this. Look just like that. So let me go ahead and bring that down. So we're going to do the Uniswap version. And the next thing you want to do is click on the top right, connect to your MetaMask. See that? MetaMask right there. So let me go back to directions here. It says connect your wallet to Uniswap. So I connected my wallet to Uniswap. We're going to use MetaMask as an example. So let me go back to Uniswap. And then the next thing it tells me to do, it says copy and paste Wolverinu contract. So let me go ahead and copy this. Remember, we already purchased our Ethereum. Now we have already connected our wallet together. Then let's go ahead and copy this. And I go back to Uniswap. And I can either search for Wolverinu. I can search for it. Or if I don't see it in the search area, I can just type in, I can just paste the contract address and it shows up right there. Yep. So if I go back, it says click swap for a successful transaction. So let's go ahead and look to do that right now. So I already got this in here. The thing that you want to look for is the slippage. I have it at 15% for this. Let me zoom in a little bit to make sure this goes through. So I'm going to swap Ethereum for Wolverinu. Remember, we already got Ethereum already. I can click there. And so now I'm going to swap this. Now, here's the thing you do want to know. I want to leave some for gas fees. So I don't want to swap all my Ethereum for Wolverinu. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to select a smaller position. So let me go ahead and do this. That way I have more for the gas fees. If I click on swap, let me go and zoom out here. Click on here and click there. Zoom out, make sure. Swap. Okay. And then this breaks down the transaction detail that you see there. If I click on confirm swap, the MetaMask information does pop up. The gas fees is $1.30, $135.58. So a total of this complete transaction is $202.77. So that's what the information is. If this is something you want to do, I'll just click on confirm and we can go right through the process. So it's very simple and very easy. So if I confirm this, which I can do, I'm going to have more Wolverinu. Now, here's the thing I'm going to do. I'm going to make an adjustment here because I think I can probably get a little bit more Wolverinu. So I'm going to make an adjustment here. So let me go. So I'm going to get, so I'm going to see how many I have. So if I do max, so 251 to work with. So we're going to look to do this amount. This amount. Okay, we'll swap this amount here. Close that. Click on swap. I'm going to confirm this. And going to look to here, $117 in gas fees. I'm going to make this an example. I'm going to confirm this transaction and close it. Close it right there. And right now it's pending. It's pending at the moment. And then once the pending over, this will go right into my MetaMask wallet. It also is connected to my Coinbase wallet as well, but we'll talk more about that in future videos. So that is the step. We did create the MetaMask wallet. You can do that with your desktop version, or you can do that through your actually cell phone, your mobile device. We fund a wallet. This is an area where I think people get mixed up. You can literally get it right from MetaMask, the Chrome extension, from your phone or your desktop version. You can send money over Ethereum over to this as well, but why not just get it right here? I mean, you can, especially if you're brand new. So, and then the next thing you want to do is connect your wallet to Uniswap. We did that. We connected it. And by the way, this transaction just went through. Let me view the transaction. Success. Everything went through. You see the transaction fee, the gas fee, of course, and you also see the transaction action, the swapping. So it went through. And then the next thing, you will copy and paste the Wolverinu contract address in the box that we showed you. And then you swap for success. So that is a step-by-step of way to get Wolverinu, swapping Ethereum for Wolverinu, and that's the Uniswap version. I'm going to do a Shiba swap version as well. That will be next in the upcoming video. So you definitely want to stay tuned for this. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I took a look at the price for a minute. It's down 22%. In my opinion, do your research. Do your research. I see an opportunity. I'll see you on the next video.